I'm Ramierre Broadway. I'm what we call a lifer at this school. A lifer is someone who started off as kindergarten and graduated at 8th grade. I graduated in 2017. My brother Ramierre Broadway is in 8th grade currently, and he will graduate at the end of the school year. Brookstone is like a second family to me. I've loved and enjoyed all the time I spent there. I miss every single one of my teachers and my peers. I even remember the mission statement we said every day. It is to glorify God by equipping me academically, socially, and spiritually for future lives of leadership and service. I can definitely say that Brookstone has helped me do this. Because of all the lessons, community, and lifelong friends that I gained from Brookstone, I can definitely say that I've gotten closer to God. Brookstone is actually a family. I'm still in contact with the people I've known since kindergarten. I still remember every single one of my teachers. I love every single one of my teachers, every single one of my peers, my classmates. I love and miss every single one of them. I'm currently in 11th grade at Covenant Day and happy to report that I'm doing really well there.